Bibim pasta. How to make the sauce. Put 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of red pepper powder, half tablespoon of red pepper paste, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, and 1 teaspoon of garlic. Mix well. In boiling water, add about half tablespoon of salt. For one serving, use about 3.5 ounces angel noodle. Today I'm using angel hair pasta. The consistency of the noodles is quite similar, so I think it's a good alternative to Korean noodles. Angel hair pasta is thin, so boil it for about 4 minutes. Slice 5 perilla leaves thinly. If you don't have perilla leaves, you can use a little lettuce instead. Slice a little cucumber thinly. Slice a little onion thinly. You can skip it if you don't like onions. After 4 minutes, drain the pasta and rinse it well in cold water. Place the drained pasta in a bowl. Add a sliced cucumber, onion, and perilla leaves. If you have a candied tuna, add a little. Pour the sauce over the pasta. Mix all the ingredients well before eating. Wow, this dish really brings back your appetite. It's perfect for hot summer days. Perfectly delicious bibim pasta is done. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.